Want more subscribers on your YouTube channel? What if I told you there's a secret trick that gets people to subscribe instantly without begging, without shouting, and without complicated tools? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your very own YouTube subscribe link using our free tool, so stick around. You've probably seen it before. Someone clicks a link and boom, a subscribe pop-up appears. It's smooth, it's simple, and best of all, it works. That's exactly what we're doing today. Using this tool, point to screen the YouTube subscribe link generator from youtube-thumbnail-download.org. A YouTube subscribe link is a custom URL that sends visitors directly to your channel with a subscription pop-up triggered automatically. Instead of just linking to your channel, this tiny tweak adds a subscribe prompt that boosts your chances of growing your audience. It's great for your video descriptions, your blog, social media bios, or anywhere you want more subs. Here's how it works. First, go to the link in the description below or just visit youtube-thumbnail-download.org/youtube-subscribe-link-generator/. Now, enter your channel ID or channel username into the box. Not sure where to find it? Just go to your channel and look at the URL. It'll look something like this: youtube.com/c/yourchannelname or youtube.com/channel/useexec-. Neither of those will have. Then just click break link. Boom, your custom subscribe link is ready. Click the copy button and paste it into your browser to test it. See that? A beautiful pop-up asking people to subscribe to your channel. Now imagine this in your Instagram bio, in your email signature, or under every video you post. Every click equals sign a potential subscriber. Here are a few pro tips for using your new subscribe link. Add it to your pinned comment under each video. Place it in your YouTube video description. Use a link shortener like bit.ly to make it clean and track clicks. Include it in your link tree or other social media link hubs. Add it to your blog or website where you embed your YouTube videos. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, and of course, use your new subscribe link to test it on this video's comments. Let's see how many of you actually tried out. Thanks for watching. For more free tools that grow your channel like YouTube tag generators, thumbnail downloaders, and more, check out our full suite at youtube-thumbnail-download.org. And hey, subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next video.